Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to rename local administrator account using group policy. So suppose if you have a more than 10 machine or 100 machines or multiple machines, okay, and if you want to rename all those machines to local administrator account, so using group policy you can rename it easily. No need to go to each machines and need to rename it manually. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how you can do that, how you can rename administrator account using group policy for all your domain joined machines. Okay, so let me show you, but before going ahead I have one request. If you have not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe just to support me, just to motivate me. So this is my domain controller and I am going to open here group policy management. But before going to open group policy management, I want to show you something. Like this is the client machines on which I have logged in. Okay, and I want to show you, like you can see this device name, I mean this computer name is ABC and this is joined to itparivar.lan. okay, abc.itparivar.lan. okay, so this is domain joined machine. Okay, and if you want to rename this machine local administrator account, like let me show you. So suppose if you have an administrator account here, you can see this is disabled. Okay, and if you want to rename it, so how you can do that? And if you have multiple machines, okay, so that is what I'm going to show you. Let me close this window and let me jump on the domain controller. I want to show you here that machine list. So this is, you can see itparivar.lan. This is the domain name in which domain that this client machine is joined. Okay, itparivar.lan. so here you can see there is one OU, that is IT, it is under Noida OU, and you can see the same machine is here, ABC computer. Okay, and we have to apply the policy for this computer to rename the local administrator account. Or suppose if you have a multiple machines or more than 10 machine, 100 machines in this OU, or if you have any other OU, in definitely in your case there will be a different OU and different machines. Okay, so suppose if you have 100 machines in this OU and if you want to rename the administrator account for all those machines, so using group policy I'll show you how you can do that. Okay, so here for just to show you, this is the machine ABC computer which is in IT OU. Okay, now I'm going to open group policy. So I'm going to type here gpmc.msc, or you can open by clicking here opening server manager and clicking tools option and group policy management. Okay, so let me create one new group policy here. So I'm going to click here group policy object and right click new, and I'm going to name it like rename administrator account. Say okay. Okay, now I'm going to right click on this, edit, and I'm going to configure this policy. Okay, so to rename using group policy, we have to click on preferences under computer configurations. Okay, expand this windows and you can see the control panel setting option. You can expand this and then local users and groups. Right click on this, click on new and local users. Here you can see username, rename to full name, description, and other options like password and these options. These options are here, like user must change password at next logon. Okay, and account never expire. So let us select here, like once you will click to drop down menu here, you will see the built-in account administrator. Okay, if you have any other account in same way, you can select this, or if you want to rename any other account, okay, so just type here that account name, okay, like test or second. Okay, so you have to enter here that name, and then here you need to enter like rename to. So as we are going to rename administrator account, even that is built-in account, okay, as I already shown you here on this computer on the local machine, administrator account. Okay, so let me go to the domain. Okay, this is Active Directory or domain controller. So suppose if you want to rename administrator account as a local admin account, local admin, okay, whatever you want to rename, you need to enter here that name. Okay, so I'm going to rename it as a local admin. So here you need to enter local admin. User must change password if you want to set password. Then okay, so just uncheck that option. Okay, and account never expired option, it's up to you what settings you want here. You want to keep settings. Okay, and just click on apply and okay. So here the group policy will be configured to rename the administrator account as a local admin. Okay, now what we'll do, you can see use account is disabled. Okay, so you can uncheck that option so that that account will be enabled on the local machines. Okay, here you can see here on the local machine, on the domain join machine, the administrator account is also disabled. Okay, so if you uncheck that option from here, like account is disabled, uncheck, then the administrator account on the client machine, if you have one machine, two machine, or more than 100 machines, then for all the machines administrator account will be enabled. Okay, you can see here the down arrow key mark, that means account is disabled. Okay, once it will be enabled, then arrow key mark will be vanished, that will not be visible here. Okay, so now what you need to do, you have to go to the command prompt on the client machine. Okay, cmd, and after applying the policy, you have to run gp update /force. I'm sorry, one more thing. As we created this policy, as we configured this policy, so now we have to link this policy to the respective OU in which your machines is lying, like in computer OU or in any different OU. So as that machine is in under Noida and IT OU, so I'll expand this Noida OU and then I'll select this IT OU and I'll link here, link an existing GPU, because we have already created and configured this rename administrator account GPU. Okay, so after configuring this, we need to link to the OU where machine is lying. Okay, so just going to say okay, and you can see this rename administrator account group policy is linked here to the IT OU, in which OU the client machine is lying here. Okay, IT OU. Now we need to go to the group go to the client machine. Let me do CLS here, and then you need to run gp update /source. Sometimes we need to restart the computer to take it effect, or we need to wait for more time. Okay, user policy update has completed successfully. Computer policy could not be updated, so this navigation failure, current domain controller active directory. So sometimes we need to restart this computer machine. Okay, so once you will restart this machine or restart your machine after applying the GPU, okay, you have to go to the computer management, or you can just type here lusr_mgr.msc, say okay, and then go to users, and you need to check this account will be renamed as a local admin. I am not going to restart this machine because I have only one this machine. Okay, and if I'll restart, this recording will be stopped, so I'm sorry for that. But yes, you have to follow the same process. Okay, and then once you will reboot your client machine or computer, then that account will be renamed as a local administrator or local admin, or whatever you will keep the name. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching IT Parivar. In this way you can reset your or rename your administrator account of your domain joined machines. Thank you so much. Bye bye.